Alright, now the Edge panel is one of the most underrated features on the Samsung Galaxy phones, and you may not be using it to its fullest potential. So in today's video, I will be sharing some amazing tips and tricks for your Edge panel. Before we go ahead, if you love these kind of contents, be sure to subscribe and become a part of Apex community. A lot of you guys who watch my contents every day have not subscribed to the channel yet. It is not going to cost you anything, so go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button if you find this video informative, and don't forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. There are some beautiful premium and free wallpapers available on the application. The link is in the description. Now let's dive into the video. When you open the Edge panel and tap on this pencil icon here and tap on the ellipsis on the top right corner, you get this menu here, as you can see. Here, if you don't want Galaxy AI icons to show up, you can uncheck them to remove them from the Edge panel. And to instantly open an app on the Edge panel in split screen view, you can select tap option instead of touch and hold. Whenever you have an application open, you can open the Edge panel and tap on another app to open it in split screen view instead of pressing and holding on it and dragging it. That option also we have. Now check this out. I'll do the same thing. I'll go to Edge panel, tap on this pencil icon and tap on the three dot button. You are seeing a brand new option here, more customizations. And when you tap on more customizations, you get some incredible new features over here. But this more customization options will not show up by default on this menu. Now for this, you need the all new homeup module on Good Lock, and this may currently show up on One UI 8.5, may not be on the previous versions. You are anyways getting One UI 8.5 soon, so you'll be able to enjoy this feature. Or you can also try on the One UI 8, you may be able to enable this. For this, all you need to do is just open Good Lock application, open homeup, and here you need to enable the Edge panels. As you can see, we've got this toggle Edge panel. Enable this. As soon as you enable it, you'll be able to see this on the Edge panel. Tap on the pencil icon, tap on three dot button. More customizations are available right here. And by tapping on this, we have got three brand new features which has recently been added on One UI 8.5. The first one is integrated panel. Using this, we will be able to add shortcuts and contacts to the apps panel. Let me show you that. Let me open Edge panel here. And when I tap on pencil icon here, you get these three options: applications, shortcuts, and contacts. You can tap on shortcuts to add any shortcuts from the application. For example, we have got Bixby shortcuts here, Bixby settings, type a command, say your command, and we have got blip shortcuts, all the third-party shortcuts also you will get. We've got camera shortcuts here. For example, if I want to add selfie camera, I can tap on this. That will be sitting right over here. So likewise, you can add shortcuts, and you can also add contacts onto the Edge panel. Just tap on allow. We've got favorite contacts here. You can also select any contact from your contact list and add it to the Edge panel. That is the first thing. Then we have got more items in Apps Edge. When you enable this, you can run more favorite items at once without scrolling. Let me enable this. Now you see we have got three columns here, and we can add more and more applications which will be visible right over here instead of scrolling them. Next, we have got the third option, scroll recent applications area. When you enable this, you'll be able to scroll through the recent applications section to see more recent apps. Let me show you this. I'll open Edge panel, and you'll be able to scroll through all these recently opened applications. You can see you can enable this on the all new homeup on the Edge panel settings. And we also have this option, show Edge handle in immersive mode. You can keep Edge handles visible even while using an application in full screen mode. And if you want to adjust the Edge touch width, you can just tap on this and increase or decrease the Edge touch width right over here using this slider. Those are some of the customizations we can do using the all new homeup module on Good Lock for the Edge panel. Next, on One UI 8.5, you can press and hold on the Edge panel to activate AI Select, which is fantastic. Now for AI Select, we had to take two steps. One, open the Edge panel and then tap on AI Select to activate this. But now, instead of doing that, you can just press and hold on the Edge panel to activate AI Select, which is going to be very, very useful. And currently, this is available on the One UI 8.5. Next, if you remember, Samsung recently removed the Galaxy Store supports for the Edge panel. If you go to the Edge panel and tap on settings and tap on panels, you will see a few of them available here, but we don't have the Galaxy Store support anymore. We always got the Galaxy Store option right over here, by tapping on which you can go to the Galaxy Store and search for the edge panels and then install them. But hey, Samsung really did not remove the Galaxy Store support. We still do have all those fantastic edge panels available on the Galaxy Store. For that, all you need to do is go to the Galaxy Store and search for edge panels. Let me just search for edge panels here. Now you will see all the edge panels available here. You'll be able to download them, install them, and add them on your edge panel, which is perfect. So Samsung did not remove the Galaxy Store support for the edge panel. We still have all those beautiful edge panels right over here, the third-party edge panels as well as the Samsung's own edge panels. You can download them from the store, but you need to go to the Galaxy Store first and search for them. If you know the specific name, search for the specific name, or just search for edge panel and install them on your edge panel. This is really awesome. Now check this out. Let me open edge panel, tap on the settings and scroll down and tap on about edge panels. Now here, if you keep tapping on the edge panels, you will see a pop-up. Let me show you that. Look at this. App's edge data will be deleted. If your edge panel has got any bugs or if it is not working properly, then maybe you can try this app edge data wipe. You can tap on delete to delete all the app edge data. I haven't tried it. Just in case if your edge panel is not working, then you can go ahead and try this. These are some fantastic edge panel features I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know if you've got anything to add here. Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you find this video informative, and download our wallpaper application Wallverse. You will find some very cool wallpapers available on this application. Do try it. The link is in the description. Don't forget to rate it 5-star on Play Store if you like the app. I would really appreciate that. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.